Hey, what's up, guys? So I've got some really exciting news that I've been looking forward to sharing with all of you for quite a while now. And that is my wife is pregnant with baby number two. Woohoo! So we're having a little boy. We're both super excited. Everything so far has been going really well. Knock on wood. She's 22 weeks pregnant now. And the baby is due December 2nd. So sometime around maybe end of November, beginning of December, of course, is kind of when we're expecting him to be born. And so, yeah, we're really excited about it. Luna right now, our first daughter, our first kid, she just turned 2 a couple days ago, and she's amazing. She's adorable. She's a ton of fun. She's smart. She's hilarious. She's awesome. And we're really, really happy about being her parents, mommy and daddy, and now we get to have a second baby number 2, and we're really excited to welcome him to the family. And so, yeah, exciting stuff. We're really looking forward to that, of course. And then as far as maybe, since this is my radar detector channel, kind of how that's going to affect things here. So he's expected to arrive kind of end of November, beginning of December, end of the year type stuff. And so I've got about 4 months-ish for kind of finishing up my videos and tests and reviews and all the high priority stuff that I really want to get done before he arrives. And so I'm like, I've got parental leave after that with the newborn and lack of sleep and getting to do all that kind of stuff and realizing I forgot so much of the newborn stuff now that we've got a toddler. But I'm sure it'll come back to us and, getting all back into the swing of things there. But as far as what that means for the channel, in the meantime, I'm really focused at this point on finishing up all my tests and reviews and things that I really want to get done, big comparisons before the end of the year. So pretty much taking anything off the list that's not kind of my top priority, most exciting, most interesting, most important content. I've been getting a lot of requests as usual to, hey, Vortex, can you go test this? Or, hey, can I send you that to review? And at this point, it's like, I got my stuff I'm doing. I got my things I'm working on. I've only got so much time. Whatever free time I have at this point, I want to spend time with my family, And so I've got a little bit of time plus baby stuff on the way. So it's like, let's focus on top priority videos, reviews, all that kind of stuff. And let's get as much of that done. Hopefully all of it. We'll see how much I actually get done. It's also part of the reason why I'm like, let's just get some videos done quick. I'm really trying to get through stuff now. So we're excited about the baby, kind of crunched for time now. A lot of stuff to do, only so much time to do it, but we're really excited about second baby coming and all of that. So I guess you can expect good stuff over the next couple months and then a break around New Year-ish as we're getting to be parents of newborn number 2. So yeah, definitely exciting stuff, and excited I can finally go ahead and share it with you guys. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you guys in the next video.